if you have oily skin, this is gonna be your bestie. I actually have blush blindness. So now guys, let me know in the comments, are you an eyeshadow girly or are you a base girl girly? Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyasha and this is Makeup It Different. I've changed my whole makeup routine. It's definitely different now. And I want to know your thoughts, you guys, if you like it or you prefer the old routine. So much has changed and I definitely want to share it with you. If you're new here, hello, welcome. Please do hit that subscribe button. But if you are coming back as a return, ride or die, welcome back. Thank you so much for supporting me. I'm so grateful that you are here and I'm so grateful that you are part of the community. And let's get into the video. So I've already done my skincare, and if you want to see that video, maybe I'll be posting it before this video or after, and we can literally just dive in. I've done my brows as well. My brow tutorial has not changed. If you want to see that as well, it's right up here. Ooh, I'm gonna be going in with the Meguhara Spotlight Gold Drop. I got a package from Meguhara. Actually, these are from Korea. And you guys probably won't know them, but I am definitely ready to put them on the spot now. Maybe I need to shake it actually. Let's just put it on. Oh my gosh, what if it's too much? So these are glow drops and I've always loved glow drops. Oh my gosh, this is literally first time trying them and I'm okay. I thought it was gonna make me pale. But it's definitely glowy. Oh, I love that. Okay. Sorry that I've not been consistent as I should have, but the burnout is real. I like when I went for a YouTube event and they told us you're gonna experience burnt out, and this was the first time I experienced extreme burnout from doing content. And what made it worse more was I was like, I love what I do. Why am I burnt out? Sure. I have been loving this so much. I actually now prefer putting it before makeup. So if you have oily skin, this is gonna be your bestie. Why? Because it gets rid of all the oils in your skin, on your skin, sucks it up, the sebum, the extra sebum. You know, when you put makeup, I like to put on my T-zone because that's where I get oily the most. And I'm like, Korea are leaving 3,000 the year 3,000 because we don't have this. We just have bloating powder. I'm loving how like all the culture, the Korean culture, all their skincare is merging now with the Western, because now back then I wouldn't have known who BTS is. Soon, and this is the Chanel Ultra Latent. I think I definitely won't be using this in summer because it's my perfect shade now. I just love this foundation. It's so light, but the coverage is great. Just look at that coverage. It's my perfect shade. It's not too warm, it's not too cool. Look at that. It looks like skin. Absolutely light. It doesn't even feel like I've got anything on. I also need to be aware that I have to share as well with you guys because I don't like to just go ghost on people. I have to give myself credit and just give myself that time off when need be. And one of the things they said at the YouTube, the women's trip that we did, I can't remember the name, was don't make content your hobby. But I was like, nah, it doesn't even feel like work. It ended up feeling like work. And I know like life happens, right? I'm using the liquid blush from L'Oreal Paris. I'm gonna do like a cocktail of blush. I kind of want to do like a bronzy makeup. I've been loving under blushing a lot. There's this girl she's from UK. She's a makeup artist and I absolutely love her blush application. I actually have blush blindness, so if you ever see me with crazy blushes, mind your business. These two is going to be my cocktail. I've never under blushed with this. I usually just put it on the corner. I kind of feel like my growth on YouTube is so slow compared to my other platforms, but I'm so grateful either ways. We reached 5,000 subscribers. 5,000, that's 5,000 people Also, I have some new lighting, guys. One of the bad boy lights from Newer. I still have my other lights on, but they're not so close, like in my face, just to get that great quality. They're a bit further, so let me know if you can see the difference. I'm actually just using a brush to diffuse that gloomy. I'm going in with the red blush, and this one is called Rouge Paris, and it's like a red color. I am just adding that on. So I definitely think this is an updated makeup tutorial because I've definitely changed how I do my makeup. So just going in with a clean brush, and I'm just going around the edges of the blush, and I'm just cleaning it up, and also just making it my own. And instead of going with the cream bronzer, I'm going in, this is not a new product, with the Makeup Revolution Mega Bronze. I am still a huge fan of Cherry Blossom. I'm not that interested so much with yellow based powder, like or banana powders anymore. I really like just like pink based powders. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe. So Makeup Revolution also came up with new blushes. These are called the Icon Blush Palette, the Authentic Peach and Aura Rose. Obviously, this is the iconic package now that they're doing. I do love this new packaging as well. They do come in a cream format, which is on top here, and powder and also highlighter format, and they swatch absolutely great as well. They're so pigmented, and the fact that I can use this on my skin tone is absolutely insane. But the cream one I won't be using. I actually don't really touch. This one is the peach one, Authentic Peach. So that's the cream, that's the highlighter, and that's the powder. I should use that as a cream, but look at that. Ooh, how gorgeous. And lately for eyeshadow, that's what I've been liking. I'll have a bit of bronzer on my eyes, like so. I've not been doing crazy eyeshadow, guys. I'm not an eyeshadow girly anymore. Literally, I just kind of do like a bronzer around my eye. I'm gonna go in with this pink color on my lid, and I'm using a blush to actually achieve this. A simple eye color. I'm a simple kind of girl, but I like my base to be stunning. Now guys, let me know in the comments, are you an eyeshadow girly or are you a base girly? Do you prefer more of a gorgeous base and simple eyeshadow, or both? Or you know, the cut crease, the smoked out eye? I'm gonna show you how I do my aegyosal eyes, because I know like someone said like, what stuff do you use to do aegyosal eyes? And aegyosal eyes on dark skin, it's such an amazing Korean eyeshadow trend. I think they do it everywhere, like Japan, whatever. I actually use a lip liner from H&B because it's nice and creamy. It just depends on your skin tone, and I like to just go, you see where you have like, or underneath where there's like a shadow or something, that's where you kind of follow, but I don't put it that low, just lightly do it. And then I just do the same here. They actually got, you know, the pencils that actually are supposed to be for aegyosal, but it's for fairer skin, and I'm not fair. Magnetic Mauve, and it's got a bit of shimmer. Hello. And I just go in with that color where there's that space where it's an eye bag, whatever that made up. And I like to move it in my tear duct as well. You see the difference? Absolutely love it. Then I will go in with a really tiny brush, look like this. And I go in with my bronzer. I literally tap up a lot of excess. Then I go at the bottom where I put the dark liner, and then I'm just gonna Big Deal Lash from L'Oreal, and it's a new mascara from L'Oreal Paris. So this is the aegyosal by me. Aegyosal. I hope I'm not butchering the name, and if I am, I apologize. It's a shine mist or glowy mist, and I love to look dewy instead of like matte. So this is not my look. I like to look dewy. So this is from Mugahara. It's called the Phyto Shine Mist Serum, and I absolutely love it because it's so good. So you just have to shake it, mix the oils and the water. You can use it even with no makeup and stuff. So all those powders I put on, ooh, and whatnot, hydrating, and then I'm also gonna look glowing. Time for lips. Makeup Revolution Espresso Cool. It's not a new product. You already know about this one. And these are the new hydrating gloss serum from NYX. And actually they leave a stain when you wipe them off. I only noticed that yesterday. So we're actually going to do a lip combo with them. Espresso Soak and Dripping Rose. Absolutely gorgeous. Then going in with Dripping Rose in the middle. Pink lip combo using glosses. This is the final look of, I don't know what to call this, updated makeup look, trying new products, because I feel like it was all in one. I feel like it was all in one makeup story. It was a long one because I just felt like I've been gone for so long and I had to just come explain because you guys support me. Thank you so much for riding with me even when I was gone. You know, you still stayed when I upload, you still support me. I'm so grateful. Even you just watching for 2 minutes, I'm so grateful. You might have not even stayed watching to the end, but I am so grateful. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. And what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments if you guys are into my new updated makeup routine. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button so you never miss any upload of mine. Bye guys.